Check 1, 2. Oh! Yes, yes. Right about now, we got Hermitude in this joint.
We got Earthboy and Aussie Battler in here.
You tuned in just in time. About to take out some giants.
This is 2005.
Uh-huh.
Time to get busy.
Let's get live. Come on now.
Giants will fall, and I'll fall like enemies talk. They keep talking, and when there's no chance, but there's no chance, no chance, at all. Giants will fall, that's right. Enemies talk, and they keep talking. When there's no chance, no chance, no chance, at all. Time to take stock,
Trying to take off
with the brakes on.
Take a weight off.
What you made of?
And we can face off.
Place off,
Turn off whatever. The flame that
stays hot,
burns on forever.
I'm a low flyer, pariah to you Goliath. Fire in the lion's eye like a pirate alliance. And when they knock it down, see my smile in defiance. I do not wake up wondering about what the day is. I die as I'm the pliers high, came to tighten the screws. They're frightfully loose, like you can't decipher the truth. Tree pythons in a cobra suit and biting at you. Sometimes the universe will throw but some guidance at you. Slide into view, situations change like every day. And to me it's even being here that demonstrates I've got a story if you got a little deeper, darling. Deeper than the deepest snarl and take you to the secret garden. But that's another time, it only came about when I was under mine. Fair enough, I took the shots, got in line. We don't all float on number 9, but we overcome. It's sheer stats, did you hear that? Giants will fall, sworn enemies break bread and talk. What might have seemed no chance at all. Did you hear that? Giants will fall, sworn enemies break bread and talk. What might have seemed no chance at all.
Yeah. Did you catch a bad one?
What's the plan, son?
Will you stand stunned?
Out, man.
Outgunned?
Held for ransom.
Will you take steps?
Place bets.
Rate your chances?
Doesn't really
Make sense
to wait for answers.
I've made mad advances in bending raps at will. Trends still come and go, but the benefits of skill are now on show. Well-known incidents and disses, bad punchlines, opportunities missed and unfulfilled wishes, fade in the distance, hope you haters are listening. Cause my voice got even stronger with the pot shots that missed me. And hot shots seem to topple off the top so quickly. Another face lost in the crowd like Eleanor Rigby. You can tell I did being in the limelight as much as a good rhyme fight. Times I should have held my tongue in 50-50 hindsight. Been some pretty nifty blind sides, you gotta admit, like one song.